Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's deep dive into Nvidia stock, guys. This thing is at an all-time high now. It did it. All right, guys, in this video, I'll take you over the price action, what I expect tomorrow Nvidia to do, what are the key important levels to watch from here on for intraday plays or whatever plays you are taking. And again, just under educational context, nothing is financial advice here. All right. I'll take you over QQ and SPY as well and show you how those things have been doing. And then definitely I want to show you the performance of my bots as well. So many of you have been asking me on the emails, just, I don't know, you just guys like to see the performance. Okay. But anyways, and thanks for joining, membership as well. I have seen that many of you have joined. So really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you for that. All right. So Nvidia, so let's start off with the bots, right? Because many of you are here for that. I know that. Okay, so let's go to the interval down here. Let's turn on the day trading bot. So this is from today. And again, so last 30 trades on Nvidia here, guys, you can see the data. Last 30 trades on intraday, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 has been the red trades by the bot, and 23 trades are profitable. And last 30 trades of net profit, you can also see, is 13,852. Again, there is guarantee of nothing. Tomorrow can be a red day as well here. So, yeah. So what I'm trying to say here is that, guys, I take guarantee of nothing, and please use the tools at your own risk, however you want to use it. I provide them under educational context, nothing more than that. And yeah, they are designed to manage the risk. And again, as I said, there will be red days as well, and there are red days as well. Anyways, this is on Nvidia. Now, since we are here on the day trading bot, let me show you on QQ and SPY as well. So on QQQ as well, we have been making great moves. Again, on the data, left-hand side in the table, you can see we are net profitable right over here. All right, and good moves today as well, made good profits. And then let's take a look at SPY as well. And you can see net profitable for the last 30 trades and good moves. There are red days as well. And as I said, there will be some stocks which are beaten up all the time. A bot will be red in those as well. Okay. Again, as I said, I provide only under educational purposes. The better to use the bots on the stocks which are volatile, big cap stocks, all over the world. They are traded like the big cap tech stocks and all these, Nvidia, Tesla, semiconductors, QQQ, SPY, anything in the QQQ, SPY, the most volatile things. But anyways, just want to show you this. And again, I take guarantee of nothing, just so you know. There can be red days as well. Yeah. All right, so let's go back to Nvidia, and so let's take a look at swing bot as well. So let's turn that off, because as you know, there was another position opened by my bot on the swing yesterday, and you can see, yeah, that is still in profitable move. And then you can see the last 30 trades of data as well, the current open PNL as well, also on the table on the swing side. So this move is still in the profit, still in the money. This recent buy position by the bot. But anyways, just wanted to show you that. All right, as I said, only educational tools. That's the only context I use for them. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 trading bots and 2 indicators. All right, anyways, let's go to the Nvidia's technicals here, guys. And as you can see, we are bullish. And so that's what I have been saying, that structure is still bullish on Nvidia. Even if the pullback comes, intraday those shorts were coming. And then when we broke the structure, that I'll show you in just a second, on hourly interval, and we have been going up since thereafter. And yeah, Nvidia broke above all-time highs today. It's at a new all-time high now, 1,162, as in the post market. So structure fully bullish, right? Let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about the important levels and key areas to watch. Right, so this was the structural change back to the upside, right? From the intradays we got out back to the upside, and on swing, as you know, I have already been saying that we are just bullish. Let's see how further pullback comes, but once the structure changes wherever it would be above 1106, it will become again intraday long as well, and that's what it has been giving us. So and also one thing I want to adjust on this indicator. Let's do intraday depth level high. All right. So yeah, here we are, right? We never broke this level of the $1,141. We stayed bullish. We kept holding these pivots, the trend lines, right? And even on intraday, Nvidia is still bullish, guys. So any pullback, if it comes tomorrow to the level of 1158, it's just bullish. Any pullback comes to 20 hours moving average, just bullish. Any pullback, if it comes to this trend line, we are just bullish. Nvidia is not complicated to trade here. All right. And the break of structure on Nvidia at this point would be if, well, okay, here's the thing. If we lose 1158, there is this trend line that can give it a support. I would say the only break of structure would be if we lose this trend line, and that would be because whenever we have these breakouts, I like to see the next day as well. Just be cautious. Yes, we are bullish, but just be cautious. Just watch this trend line. If we lose this trend line, there will be some weakness that would come. Otherwise, no. And this is what I was saying in my morning video as well, that yes, this is a supply zone that Nvidia has formed, but if it doesn't break below this $1,140, gets above $1,149 and starts to stay up here, it's going to start absorbing the supply zone, and most likely it will go and break to new all-time highs, and it did that. Things will be more clear if I take you to the 5 minutes interval actually. What I meant by that absorption in the morning, right? So we got into that zone above, right? We found support, the double bottom that I was talking about, that if Nvidia can hold this double bottom here in this areas, this is on the lower time frame, you are seeing that the level is holding, the level that I was talking about in the morning. So then you jump onto the lower time frame to see the price action. And price action held the support with the double bottom. We went up, absorbed the supply zone, and broke to new all-time highs and started to find a support there at new all-time highs. All right, so structure is still bullish. Just watch that trend line that you see for tomorrow. If any structure break would happen, that would happen below that. Otherwise, that will just act as a support. Nvidia is not complicated to trade. If we lose below 1149, yeah, it opens up the doors again to level by level to the downside, but nothing more than that. It's just level by level to the downside. It's not that, oh, it's just bearish now, short the heck out of it. No. All right, that's a deeper pullback. There's a lot of structure of bullishness on Nvidia, guys. I mean, Nvidia, any pullback to 1140, that's all overall structure is still going to stay bullish. If you want to see a structure weakness, you need to see it below $1,123 tomorrow, which well, technically, if you are seeing a structure break to that, you shouldn't be even in the long position below this trend line, this moving trend line. You should, yeah, below this moving trend line, you shouldn't be in any position on the long side. If you have a swing open, you should also start taking partial profits out, but you should also take those profits out as if the trend line also breaks. So just keep that in mind, all right? But anyways, just sharing my opinion, guys, nothing more than that. So that's Nvidia. Anything else do I want to talk here? No, it's simple, guys. It's easy peasy. It's not complicated to trade. It's sometimes, yeah, things chart may look like what to do at all-time highs, but that's where things gets easier. Because easier in the form of how you have to manage your risk, right? Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. It's all about trading the structure with the stop loss, getting the right entries, take the partial profits, and size in, size out position, and don't be afraid of stop losses. If you are thinking that, oh, you can get away without stop losses, you can get away without size out, size in, it doesn't work that way, guys. Again, it requires effort. All right. All right, that's Nvidia. Let's take a look at now QQQ and SPY, because that's what I said in my other videos as well, that QQQ and SPY I'll talk about with Nvidia today. So guys, this thing got bought back up again. So all right, so here was the thing, that we were seeing a red candle when I did a video in the morning, and that's where I was more like, well, this looks like a weakness, and but structure is only bearish if we get below 449, guys. We are still not doing that. Bulls are still holding it above 20 days moving average and above 449. Bulls are still in control. Okay, if any weakness come, take this carefully. That will constitute this as a distribution phase, but break below 449 is only when the structure break is. So right now structure is still holding strong and looks like candle has closed strong as well. Let's go to the hourly interval and you can see that it's holding the trend line as well of hours. And also this 50 hours moving average. Yeah, well, if we get above 454 tomorrow, yeah, let's see if it tests again all-time highs. Yeah, you know, and if we lose this trend line, it's not a short though. It can be intraday, some weakness may come, but there's a good support sitting at $452 range to $450 range as well. Just the same areas like where we yeah, yeah, this if you're trying to short it tomorrow, be very careful. 452 area is a good support zone. So yeah, things are bullish. A SPY. Yep, got rotated back up. Again, like all buyers are coming in at 20 days moving average. Structure is still holding above 524. Bulls are keeping it up and high, up and tidy. So yeah, it's bullish, guys. Structure never broke, and on hourly interval, just like similar to QQQ, you can see we found support at 50 hours moving average and then also got above that 200 hours moving average. Still following that trend line again. Similarly, like QQQ, be careful. Yeah, don't short it tomorrow. At least you can go into whatever you want to do, but 527 is a good support right now as well. If we lose this, 20 and 50 might give it some support as well. We'll see, but yeah, it's not looking like a clean short play. All right, it's like a pullback potentially could be bought unless those level breaks, right? So, but yeah, bulls have control. Yeah, it's bullish as well. Structure break on SPY is only below 524. Not seeing that right now. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I give you the levels and the price action. Have a stop loss regardless. You have the structures what to watch. If it breaks, structure will start changing at least on intraday, but otherwise it will just stay bullish into the pullbacks as well. So that's that. All right, well guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.